Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. Shooting this video with the Sony Xperia 1 in super wide angle mode. That's 137 degree wide angle mode. 1080p 60 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds down below in the comment section. The purpose of this video is to test the speaker up top of the Google Pixel 5. The in-display / under-display. However you want to say it. A lot of you want to hear the quality of that area with and without a screen protector. Now, I do not have a film or a liquid screen protector. I have a tempered glass screen protector. So in this speaker test, what I'm going to do is play some free non-copyright music, and I'm going to remove and put back on the tempered glass screen protector so you can hear if there's a major difference, and also so you can just hear the audio quality that's being delivered into your ear, because a lot of you right now are considering purchasing the Google Pixel 5, but that's the area that's, well, you're holding off because you're just not quite sure about that speaker and what it's going to deliver for you personally. And I get it, I understand that. So you've requested, a lot of you out there that are subscribed to TMI Project 13, and a lot of viewers. And I would hope that the viewers would take the time to subscribe to TMI Project 13 and hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified, alerted that I have uploaded some content for you to watch and share on your social media. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I'm mostly going to concentrate on that speaker up top. Now, I'm not going to give you my opinion. I'm going to let you tell me down below in the comment section. I'm just here to run the test that you asked for. So yeah, it definitely gets louder removing the tempered glass screen protector. Not that much louder, but yes, it gets louder. It sounds great with and without the tempered glass screen protector. I don't know how much difference there's going to be with a liquid or film screen protector, but I'm just going to read the feedback down below in the comment section. You tell me. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to your feedback. And again, Sony Xperia 1, let me know video quality, audio quality, as far as creating content. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Stay safe and healthy. God bless. Peace. I am out.